Jump ball. It's championship game. Davao versus Region 4A. Bahenting. Davao first ball possession. Launches on 3. Won't go. Rebound para dito sa team Region 4A. Behind the back. Dribble. He crosses over. He spins against Pellegrino. Cross pass. Fires at 3. In and out. Rebound Butterboard. And here you go. Bahenting. Corner pass. Pellegrino. Pull up jumper. Corner. Bullseye. First block. Here comes Region 4A, number 14 with the leather. It's passed to the middle, setting the play. Decided to take it easy, number 18, number 14 on 3. Won't go, rebound by Henting. By Henting spinning, he stops, high pass to Pellegrino, Pellegrino. Asking for a pick. Sanoria goes to the pick. Zumigzag, lost the handle. And recovered by Sanoria, bounce pass. Corner pass, wide open for 3. Won't go. Put back shot. That's Butterbornia. Pellegrino, corner pass. Open look for 3. Short. Rebound. Fires, won't go. Rebound mapupunta kay Butterbornia. Sinausaw, basket end. 1. Bounce pass to Pellegrino, posting up. Pellegrino stops. Kicks to Bahenting. Bahenting with the lender. Bam! Put at the bar. Body on the floor. Pull up jumper Pellegrino. No. Rebound Pellegrino. Second chance pick. Lace it up. It's in. Basketball number 4. Natapikan. Bahenting. Looking for Pellegrino. Straight to the hoops. Oh, what a shot. And it's Region 4A. Pass to number 4. Inside pass. Ball is stolen by Butterbornia. 10-0 score natin mga bossing. Pellegrino. Oh! Oh! What a shot! Number 3. Setting the play for Region 4A. Duterte with the pick. Attack pull up jumper and free to area. Rebound. Fake create space. Another fake. Foul. Region 4A looking for their first goal. Fires bullseye, nakabutas din. Pellegrino. Attacks, creating space, goes to the corner. Pinoy step. Oh! Grabe yung Pellegrino. To number 1. Corner pass for Region 4A. Crossover mo, Vista, pull up jumper at 3. Bang! 3 points. Duterte, top shot, no good, rebound. Put back shot, cleaning his own mess. Duterte. Pellegrino. Pellegrino goes to the screen. Attack, spinning, lacing, bullseye. For the inbound, Region 4A. Pass it to the middle, pass it back to number 3. Cross pass, picks. Number 3, launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. In at the top. Pass to number 14. Number 14 is step back. Number 17. Attacks against Duterte. Stolen by Duterte. To the wings. Fake. Spins. Fires. That's good. Sa gitna. Bump against Duterte. No good. Rebound, second chance, that's good. Number 3, mamawag. To number 1, oop. Second quarter action here. Here comes Region 4A. Number 1, Lugue stolen the ball. And corner pass, Lugue launches on 3. Go Region 4A, number 4, dribbling at the top. It's against number 28. Passes to number 16, goes to the middle, pull up jumper at the free throw. Bang shot is good, basket end 1. Kicks out for 3. Won't go. Rebound na pupunta dito sa Region 4A. Step back for 3. Bahenting behind the back. Pellegrino pull up jumper corner. Dito para sa Region 40, number 4. Pass to number 16. Attack to the middle, open fire, no. Rebound dito kay Duterte. Cover shot 2. Rebound pa rin sa Region 40. Dancing fake. Duterte. Attack. Pull up jumper. Pull. Bomb. Looking for Pellegrino. 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 Goes to the screen. Pull up Jeffrey. 3 points. Corner pass. Big. Duterte big. Drive to the hoop. Duterte at the free throw bucket. Bagsak doon si Pellegrino. Post up, hinatid. Duterte, strong move against Baterbornia. Bahenting. Bahenting. Pass to number 1 Luge. Luge fires at 3. Won't go. Here comes number 3. Mamawag. Mamawag now at the top. Inside pass na kalusot. Another extra pass. Spins. Fires. That's good. To Porto. Pellegrino. Back to the court. Oh, rejected. Grabe yun. Rejected dun. Side step lays up. No. Tips in. Basket is goes. Balance. And 3-point lead for team Region 4A. Pellegrino. Goes to the corner. Side step. Pass. Oh. Ball deflected. For the inbound. Pass to the corner, open look, bang! Ties the game. Long pass. Here you go, Region. Never jump pass nun! Grabing pass nun! What a pass! Here's number 8, spinning. Stop picks. Kicks it out. Number 18. Pass to number 4 for 3. Bang! Basket and 1. Completing the 3-point play. Bullseye. Pellegrino against number 14. Attacking the defense. Kicks it out. Open look on 3. Bang! 3 points. And here you go. Number 14 pick. He goes to the screen. Stop. Number 3. Now at the top. Bounce pass, Duterte, hahatid si pass and 1, Duterte. At the free throw area, Duterte, no, rebound, mag-aagawan ng bola, Sanoria, bounce pass to Bahenting, Bahenting, cross the mid lane, pass to the middle, Baterbornia, to Misayaw, rejected by Duterte. Davao for the Team Davao, bounce pass Pellegrino. Pellegrino attacking the defense, bomb, fires, my foul. 35 seconds for the second quarter, it's good. Pass to number 1, pass to the left wing. Cross pass, almost fallen. Sa corner 3, bang! Bahenting, behind the back dribble. Goes to the middle. Bounce pass, posting up to the middle, Bahenting, stop pick, Pellegrino, asintada, atake side step, top shot, bullseye. Number 3, pass to number 29, Mayor, number 3, corner again sa 3, bang, back to back 3, number 4, pass, big. Ang gitna. Left. Number 4, stop pull up jumper sa free throw area. Bullseye. Ball is stolen. And yung stop panaligan. Duterte. Bam. Binangga. Giba! And yung Pellegrino. Pellegrino pass to Bahenting. Bahenting attacking the defense, kicks it out for 3. Oh, rebound. Sanoria, put back, Luge. At the free throw, Luge. Last throw, short. Napupunta sa Region 4A. Number 3. Bounce pass to Duterte. Duterte, binangga ulit. Fouls, wala. Rebound, napupunta sa Region 4. Oh, yes. Open shot for 3. Ba, uy. May final free throw. Ito pa rin. Final throw. Wala. And here you go. Region 11 Davao Pellegrino. 2 guarded by 2 corner. Pass for 3. Oh, no good. Rebound Baterbornia. Created space, created. Fires no. Region 4A. Naagaw dito. Here comes Pellegrino. Straight to the hook. Straight. Back to the goal. Leading. Bounce pass. Duterte. Create space. Pero saya. Full pass. Between the legs. Spinning. Attacking na tabigan sa likod. And here's Palingayan. Panaligan. Paniligan. Dancing. Sa gitna doon sa tepik. Bam. Open. That's good. Pupunas ng sapatos. 3 minutes 48 seconds. For the full third quarter. Bibit-bit ang gandang basa. Pinausaw. Oh, Valencia. And here you go. Panaligan. Pass to the left number 8. Valencia. Left alone for 3. Too strong. Rebound. 1 bounce. No look pass. Save the ball. Shot clock. Shot 7 seconds to shoot. Hook shot. Down. Rejected. Baterbornia. Hook. For the backdoor inbound. Bahenting the receiver. Pass back to Pellegrino. Pellegrino goes to the screen. Attack. Shoot. Sa class Sinausaw. Tingnan mo sa inbound. Mapapagitan dito ang Davao. Panaligan. Panaligan. Attacking the basket. Tapan. Pull up jumper. No good. Pellegrino setting the gas. Straight to the hoop. Good top shot. Baterbornia last on the free throw. First one is in. Basket. Final free throw. Pellegrino for 3. Mga pasitas dito. Ang Team Davao. Team. Mamawag. 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 Good passing. Duterte, the receiver. Posting up. Posting up. Kicks out well. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pellegrino. Between the legs. Space, Solen. Fast break. Palingayan na naman. Panaligan. Panaligan. Bagenting for 3. No. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Davao. Stop, kicks out. Open. Patrito, short. Nakuha ang break na naman. Ito na naman sa Panaligan. Fake. Oh, step through. Wow! Bahenting. Bahenting. Pass to the right. Pellegrino. Pellegrino creates space, kicks it out, wide open for three. Mamawag. 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 Against Lugi. Mamawag kanan lagi. Pull up jumper. It's goal! Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, crossover move, step inside, top shot, one goal. Rebound, Puerto Rico, okay. Number 4, against Pellegrino, spinning. Bahenting. Bahenting. Long pass, corner. Okay. Crossover. Crossover, step up for three. Use Pellegrino to the hoop. Wala. Rebound, nabupunta sa video first mistake. And Mamawag. Oh no! 11.8. Bahenting. Bahenting corner. 3. Short. Rebound. Oh no! Number 3 behind the back dribble. Crossover, pull up jump. Bullseye! 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 Here you go. Nothing. No. For the inbound. Pass, Lugi. Kicks out, picks, stop for 3. Wala pa rin. Bump, Lugi. Wala. Duterte the rebound. Duterte. Duterte.